Shout out Rick Ross. Hey guys, good morning. You're joining me on my way to Supercar Saturday at Mike Ward Exotic Cars. I don't know if that's the name of the actual dealership, but they've got McLaren, they've got Aston Martin, they've got everything you need there. Today is a more interesting day because after the show, I will be getting my car reviewed by my friend Enigma Photos. So that'll be fun. This is going to be my second time this car has been reviewed. So looking forward to see how this one turns out. He's awesome at camera work. That's kind of his job. So I'm looking forward to see what kind of shots he takes of this car and everything. We're going to have some hardware strapped to this little girl. And, oh, that sounds really weird. We're going to have some hardware strapped to this vehicle is what I meant to say. But I'll see you guys at the show. Oh, God. Oh, you guys want to see some real Hyundai build quality here while I grab my camera? Check this out. Look at this. Literally have done nothing. I've not even touched this panel. And it's like you see the airbags. It's like coming apart here. So, gotta shove it back in every once in a while until our service. That's gonna be fun. This paint color is insane. You can see it's got like specks, glitter in it, and then transitions to gray. Still my favorite old Ferrari. Gonna be driving one of these in Italy. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet here. I hate being a disturbance indoors, but this is the Tiffany blue. I'm not even gonna joke about it being performance blue. Look at that. So check this out. This is the new Maserati Gran Turismo with the new interior. It's got touch screens and everything now. Oh, that looks weird, but it looks so much better than before when it still had the numpad. Check out in the service bay, they've got this Artura here. And they just walked in. What the? Anyways, and the Pista in red over there. No, I've seen a red one before. Well, it looks like they moved it outside, which I'm really happy about. I love this car. I gotta get some pictures of it. Check out this awesome performance blue Aston Martin DBX. Is that what it's called? I think so. And then the Rolls Royce and the McLaren. The service part of the dealership is insane. Now look at this. They've got the performance blue Urus. We're getting the performance blue collection going today. All right, guys, that was pretty awesome, honestly. A better turnout than I expected, especially with that green carbon McLaren there. One thing that I thought was super cool was that we saw every McLaren, I'm pretty sure, unless I got my research incorrect, but I think we saw every McLaren hypercar except for the Sabre. I think we saw them all there. We've got the Elva, we've got the P1, and we've got the Senna. I might be missing one, but that was really cool to me that they were all kind of gathered in one place, especially here in the Midwest where it's, you know, not necessarily a hypercar, you know, mecca, but I think we're slowly starting to get there, so that's awesome. But next up, we've got the car review. I'll catch you guys at my house where we'll be setting up. Do you want me to open the trunk?
Not yet. We'll get there. Stop rushing.
I didn't know.
I'm an old man.
Awesome, we got some drone shots of the car that looked really cool just now. I'm excited to kind of show you guys when he uploads that video. I'll be linking that in the description, but that'll be really cool. Right now we're heading to a canyon to get some cool shots of us driving and also parking. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some still shots as well. It's gonna be pretty fun. I'm looking forward to it. I'll see you guys there. Well, you know how it is. If you're going fast, logically, someone in front of you will be going slower. So we have caught up to that person and we're just kind of cruising at a solid 24 miles an hour around here. Either way, as always, cannot complain because the views are awesome and the weather's great. We're out here in the wilderness. I can't believe I'm outside. There's the super cool 360 camera mount that I want to get, or that I did get, and it's coming in the mail tomorrow. So hopefully gonna get some cooler shots with that. And then he's getting like the super expensive camera cool shots over here. And then shout out RV man, I don't know. So he's over there doing important stuff. And I've got a stick here. I'm not left-handed, but I'm gonna throw it anyway. Hold on. Oh, there we go. This is why you can't take me outside. We got, hold on. I'm trying to talk this way so they can't hear me. We got the person from the RV taking a picture of my car, and she knows nothing about cars. That's how you know you made it. You got randos taking pictures of your car. Just kidding. That just means it looks cool, but doesn't mean it's, I don't know. I give up, guys. Help me get down. I'm stuck up here. All right, we're back at the original spot here. We just did some actual audio recordings, but I think what's left is the actual, the driving component with us in the car talking about it and the review in the car actually, instead of just getting cool clips. So I'm a little, you know, a little nervous to be on somebody else's channel, but it's gonna be fun. All right, guys, so that seems to be it for today. Towards the end of the review, we kind of started talking about collaborating more often on car reviews. He seemed to have fun, you know, recording the video with me, and I did as well. So we could be looking forward to doing some car reviews together. I don't think we'd be starting a new channel. We might just be piggybacking off of his, and I'll continue with my vlogs over here. We'll see how that goes, though. I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, we definitely made some plans. Very tentative at the moment, but looking forward to making them more solid once our first, you know, collaborative review comes out. I believe later this week. So look forward to that. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I believe I'll see you tomorrow with another video. We're going to Automezzi, so we're going to check out some Italian cars. But other than that, have a wonderful rest of your day.